Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now today, as you can see, we are currently in the truck shop because as you can see I got a fair bit of money and you're probably wondering why. Look, you see all my vehicles, you're like, what did you sell to get so much money? You didn't sell your Jeep at all. If I go into here, let's just go to all of my cars. If you don't recognize something that's not there, then you'll know. Did you notice that I don't have that I sold? Definitely not any trailers, but I sold something. Okay, so we're going to do a build of something, but I don't know what of. Like, just like a truck. Like, just get like a Ute, like one of this, but I already have one. I just like this one so good because it looks so great. I bought it. Okay, so I brought this one. What's the basic build that you would do for this? This might be like my new hunting vehicle. We want to try to get to like a camo greenish. Maybe let's just go to like with the white for now. Let's go with the white color now. Let's just leave it. Let's go into wraps. Yeah. It's not a good. I don't want that. No. We could have it all rusted. Should we have it all rusty? Nah. We could have this rust instead of all these dots. But no. But no. Well, we gotta. Should this be a Chevy or GMC? I'm thinking it should be a Chev, since I've already got a GMC. I've already got a GMC, so let's make it a Chev. C-H-E Chevrolet. Oh, yep, there it is, Chevrolet. Yep. I should put this on the back at this point. Yeah, it's annoying. Once I made a tow truck and I put the phone number on the side and I had to remember it because I forgot that you could duplicate. And I was so mad. So this is just going to be like a build of my opinion. So what color should it be? Could be any color. Let's just not make it black. So, should make it a bluish. I was gonna do black, but let's make it display here. And what else should we do? Let's go into tuning, change suspension. Should we put a lift on it or should we have a low rider? Definitely low rider. Yes. We don't want the tire to go through the fender so bad that much. And that's 1, 2. Okay, now we need to change the tires and make them a bit smaller. Just a bit smaller, and we gotta make it such a low rider to make this thing just look nice. Just like make it a low rider. Now we're gonna quickly upgrade this thing so I don't run out of money. Wow, I spent like $30,000. Weight takes away a lot of your money. Okay, maybe not on this. Durability, cover. Noise for the turbo. Now we're just down to $4,000. Great. Wow, that's how much upgrading does cost you. Yes. Let's put some different rims on this thing. We put some new rims on it, or like not new, like new offroad outlaws rims. No. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, nope. Keep it in spoke. There you go. Now let's just make them blacked out. Yeah, just complete black. Black. That is $7,000 that I don't have. So if we exit, we're just gonna change rooms for now. I was hoping it wasn't gonna be $7,000. I was hoping it'd be a little bit cheaper, but I'll get money. I need to get more money anyway. See, I can afford this. Let's see if we can paint it black now separately. Bam. I'm like $80 short. Well, we're gonna take this vehicle out to go get some more money, and you're gonna come with me in this new vehicle. And I think I'm not gonna get it. What I've always done. Oh yeah, from the last video, I still have this thing. Honestly, look how bad this thing's squatting. This is even an attachment. Can I still do it? This is my question. 40 max. Look, they're squatting like heck, and they don't even have the trailer on. How 15 should do, but nope. This is way too tall. I don't know. Oh, holy cow. Wish there was hair or a hat that actually looks good in this game, because my character just doesn't look the best. And I just have the basicest shirt on ever, which is just an offroad outlaws shirt. That is a no limit drag racing shirt. That's Memphis. And a minimum though. Pull around here, get this money, and that would be enough money to paint the rims black on this beast.
Hello?
You make the rims a bit bigger. I can confirm on that. And I need to unqueue up the trailer.
Hello?
No damage. We're gonna pause this part, but this would be pretty boring just waiting. Okay, as you can see up there, we have $7,000. Now, if we go into customize, click on rims. Bam, wham, bam, wham. This truck looks a lot better now. But there's one thing I still want to do, is put a toolbox on this so I can always repair it.
I know.
Toolbox. Put white lights on. Just put some exhaust. Just want those. No, winch, no. That's really it. For this. To this vehicle. But there's one thing I do want to do, but I want to check how much is a drag slick tire, because there's slicks. That's expensive. We're not gonna put slicks on this anyway. But look at this belay right here. Nice belay. This thing is so low to the ground. It's like.
That's kind of weird.
Look, it's goes
That's weird.
I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. I just did like a quick build because I wanted to, and it's a Chevy. And I need to do one thing that I always do to make my vehicles look realistic. shapes. Get circle. Make it grey. Make it small as a fuel cap. Okay, just like a fuel cap. That does not look like a fuel cap at all. Okay. So put it right about here. Did I say so? Looks good.
Can I tell you something? I haven't been on
Now,
for like.
I'm gonna go to my dually. And you put like, where is it
I
at?
just got
Didn't
on too.
you just
I
put
was
it on there?
Like this morning a
I was
little.
like, yeah, I did. It's
And
like
then
right
I just
there.
feel drunk.
Yeah, let's put that there.
And I just feel drunk. I just feel drunk. And I just went back to sleep.
I'm gonna
Woke up,
put my
hopped on my
trailer.
Food shit. And then hopped on my tent.
I don't know what I'm really gonna do with this, but I'm gonna go into multiplayer. Let's make it night. And we're gonna see what it's like at night and see how many people like it. Will like my awesome lowrider.
It's just a style.
My awesome lowrider.
It's a style. It was the style of this thing.
Oh wow, we're shooting at here, aren't we? Too bad I'm gonna come in like oh, you can't run over him. Oh, you know what's bad? I didn't even put my gun. Is there any members out here? Oh yeah, there's one member. There's two members. I'll give you some light to see.
I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I just made it up.
How?
Well, I just thought of that this morning.
Stop shooting at me.
I
just running around. Uh-oh, look at him. Who's Winchell? Sounds like familiar. Boy, what do you think you're doing? There's no good hats in the game. Okay. I need to get my truck, bro. Nope. That was an alright jump for this awesome truck. So this is a lowrider, Chevy lowrider. I just made this for fun. Not for outlaws because I wanted to. And now we're gonna have some fun. Yeah, I didn't bring a trailer either.
I like how there's a cat in the background, and I just like it.
All of you have a GMC. Let's see. Most people have. This is a Chevy / GMC here. Oh, we got a Ford out here. We got two Fords out here with trailers on. Look at this Ford. Oh, it's gone now. Look at this one. Oh, look at this thing, man. It's mad.
Guess what? Can I test
I'm like the only member not in here. How in the world did you get up here? How in the world? There's no way to get up here.
I was 10. I was 10.
Okay, bro. I can jump with you.
I mean,
okay, I'm gonna go to my ute.
Thank you to the bus driver.
I'm leaving. No, I'm not leaving.
I'm 6.
And we're gonna.
I'm 6.
Watch out, water boss. Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave, and we're gonna get a trailer and maybe do some stuff to this thing to even make this thing even more insane. But we're gonna have a trailer, and you might end up seeing this vehicle in the next episode.
Yeah, and
you know what I deleted?
You can bunny hop when you just land.
If you don't know what I sold, I'll tell you when I get back to my yard.
It's your
Okay, guys, I sold my monster truck. I was like, and by the way, if you ever want to see me, if you ever see me, that would be my name. Yeah. What's that? Oh, that one. Yeah.
What the heck?
Anyway, guys, this will do it for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.